Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be giving you an idea of what a professional chart breakdown looks like. So first of all, when you hear analyze or chart analysis and stuff, or professional analyzing charts, what might first come to your mind is maybe some overcomplicated stuff or lines and everywhere and stuff. There's nothing too complicated with chart analysis, especially when professionals come on their charts to analyze. What you're going to often see on their screen is just a pair of lines or zones like this, above and below price, and that is it. All right, they don't have to, or you do not have to, highlight everywhere. Yeah, those are key zones. You need to just look for where prices are. If this is price, look for a key zone above price, which is this one here, and then look for another key zone below price, which is this area here. Why this area? Because price has rejected this area, not once but twice. One looking for a bounce or a break and retest. It's pretty simple. Two things will happen, either buy or sell. So you have to capitalize on that, do your math, and proper risk management. You'll be able to scale out. Now, this is what a professional's chart will look like majority of the times. Okay, I had a trade right here. I'm going to put a screenshot on I'll just put a screenshot here. I took a trade here, and this is exactly what I saw. So let me break down that trade, this trade that I just saw on the screen now. I'll break down the trade for you, all right? So what I saw first, guys, I saw this but twice, as you can see here. There was a tiny push, another push, then a break, a retest of this area. So this immediately rang a bell in my head, telling me that, hey, this point here is actually important, and it is a key zone. Because why? It has pushed price really heavily to the upside. And guys, note that this is the 4-hour time frame, meaning this is a high time frame. It is a large time frame. Because me, I don't trade the larger time frames like the daily, weekly, and all of that. No, this is my maximum. I don't go any higher than this. So this is a very big time frame for me. So this right here, any key zone that I apply, that I draw on this particular chart here, has a 75% chance of holding. Okay, so now let's continue. Let me start with the first key zone. If you aspects of these key zones, all right, first of all, you have a tap here, you have a break and a retest. So one thing that you should take note when drawing my key zones is my key zones always have before I draw them out. So this one has a touch from under and a touch from the top. So this rejection here and here. So I'll just draw this out. Then I'll anticipate either a break and a retest like this one, or a bounce and continuation. So I want you to pay attention. Look at this one as well. Look at this one. You have one, you have two. Then suddenly the market breaks. And what happens in the original direction? Then look at this, the third key level here. Okay, you have one, you have two. When the market broke, retested. So you can still call all of this here 1, 2. Then you look to trade this way. This is the 4-hour time frame. So if the market is bearish all through, if you have key zones like this, you should be looking for break and retest or a bounce. Where's the market going on the weekly? Where is it going on the daily? No. What happened is, if you go on the daily time frame, you see something like this. You maybe see a pullback like this, and you think, oh, the market is in an uptrend. No, it's not. This is a downtrend, and this is just a pullback. This is a retracement. So you maybe see this on the daily time frame. Maybe this candle here formed and closed. You'll be like, oh, the market is bullish because of this push. Then you come down on the 4-hour time frame, you look for analysis, and you now modify or fix. You're just trying to force this analysis to be bullish, even when it is not, because the daily time frame told you somehow that it's bullish. There's a lot of price action going on just inside that particular candle. So you cannot rely on that candle to tell you where the market is heading, or even the overall trend. It will not tell you anything. That one candle could be an entire pullback, swing, and everything going on inside. So please look for a time frame that suits your time, suits your schedule, suits your preference, and trade it. For me, I love the 1 hour. I love the 4-hour. I use the 30-minute for entries. Okay, so I'm on the 4-hour here, which is my most favorite. All right. So right here, I've identified my key zones. I want the market to enter these key zones, and I trade from. So I will take losses. I'll take losses 50 right here. All right, let's say, okay, I had this 1, 2 here, and for some reason I want to buy this market again. I mean, even though I don't really trade zones 2 times, up and above, if the tap here already happened and I didn't enter here, I will not enter here. I'll only enter the trade if this level breaks and retests. I'll not enter the second time. Okay, so here, if the market is coming back, I'm not entering to buy this market. No, I'll not do that. I'll wait for it to break and retest. So that's what happened here. It broke, retested. Same thing here. It happened, key level, broke, retested, went above. I won't be expecting to buy this market here. I'll be expecting to do what? I'm looking for a break and a retest. But if we have a look on touch, then I can trade this. I can trade this. That's not been tapped too many times. Okay, so because when a key level has been tested too many times, it stands a higher chance of breaking. So do not trade one key level too many times. It depends on what you want to do. Do what you want to do. But for me, I trade one key level once in one direction. But if it breaks, I can take it from the other direction. That's what I'm saying. So if I bought it here, if I'm to trade this particular key level again, it's going to be a sell. So right now we have a key level now. We have that, that, and that. If this market pulls back from here and comes back inside this key level, you don't expect me to sell here. I will not sell unless it breaks and reaches a buy. But if it comes all the way down here and bounces off here and comes back here, I can sell. But if it doesn't, I'll not sell here. Okay. Now, this chart breakdown is done. So about the trade that I took here, this is exactly what I saw. I think I'll paste a screenshot somewhere. So I saw this trend. Then I drew out this key level here. So when I drew out this key level, everything made sense because I expected the market to respect this trend line for the third time, which is the time that I enter. Okay, I enter on the third touch. This two here is to create the trend line. So once the trend line has been created by these two, then the third touch will be where I'm taking action. Okay, so now it happened that where this market could touch would also mean that it's going to enter this key level here, making this a high probability area because there's two main key levels here. This trend line is a key level, and this zone here is a key level as well. So two key levels merging and becoming one, like it's crazy and it's really good. So I could not miss out on this. I shared this signal. I gave it in my public group and I took this trade myself. Screenshot will be here somewhere on the screen. So do check it out. All right, it was a nice 1-2 trade, and I made a little over $400 on this trade. Okay, now let me go to the next chart and break it down. I'll break down a few, so we all should, have this idea. So this is this is the finished product already. Let me just take it back. If I'm scrolling back here, I'm looking for key levels, and these key levels here have been traded way too many times. So I'm looking for key levels that are fresh. Fresh where I look at where price is at, then I look for a key level closer to price that I can trade. I want to make money now, not next year. Okay, so you can come on here. This is a key level. You see there's tap, tap, tap. All of these tabs here is a valid key level. You can literally take months to get up here. You have no idea. Okay, so this does not change the fact that this level is not valid. It is valid, but it's just too far. So I cannot wait, and I cannot just draw it and keep it there, messing up my screen. The idea of this video is to analyze charts like a professional as possible. Look at my candlestick colors. I use black and gray, and my background is gray. My tools, gray. When you color your charts too much, it makes the workspace too congested and too intimidating, even for you. Your candles are green, the candles are red, your background is white, your tools are yellow, the other one is gold, pink, Fibonacci is green. Oh my God. With this rainbow stuff going on your screen, it's difficult for you to even see because your brain is finding it difficult to process everything at first glance. But when you have something like this in our chart, once you lay your eyes on it, your brain sees one thing. It sees price action. My eyes cannot get off this zone, guys. This is a very beautiful area here. Just imagine, I didn't trade this area. I don't know, way back then, I didn't trade this area. Look at these tabs here. 1, 2, the market broke it, retested, you sell here, come back here. I'm not selling here, bro. But after this deep fall, I'm breaking structure here to the downside. I'm definitely selling here if it comes back and, shows me any sign of rejection. And if it breaks above it, I'm definitely buying. Guys, like, this time frame is crazy because you could literally make a lot of money doing this. So first of all, I'm here. All right, this is the normal screen. I'll zoom out 1, 2. I'll zoom out again the third time. So I'll zoom out 3 times on my chart. Okay, this is the 4-hour time frame. I'll zoom out 3 times, and I look for obvious areas closer to price that price has rejected. So first of all, my eyes saw this one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you can see here the first 2. I can highlight these 2. Then I look to trade on the third one, which is this one. For some reason, I missed this trade, but I'm actually running in another trade here. There's a trade I've opened here, and I'll tell you guys how I entered that trade. Okay, so be patient. And low price. This is price. This is my first key zone below price. Now I need another key zone above price. So in case, because price has to go up or down, remember, those are the only 2 probabilities here. It's buy or sell. Okay, so this is another zone that I saw. I took this week here because the rejection kind of aligned with this one. So this is the first. Second, so the third one I can trade here. Okay, then now sees the market breaking structure to the downside, entering this key level here. Now you might be asking, what are you going to do? You and I can see that this is a consolidation. This is a consolidating market. The market is ranging up, down, bit before breaking. So I'm looking to capitalize on that bounce. Don't be fooled by all of this big push, and people that make millions in the market do not catch these big swings and from up, down. No, they don't trade like that. They look at these areas, and this is what they capitalize on. They capitalize on like 2 candlesticks. I promise you that's how it is. Like, they just get in here, this candle drops all the way down here, poop, they close their positions and they're out. $500,000, just like that. Yes, that's how they trade. So that's what I'm looking to do. It comes in here, I capitalize, I go heavy on it, and I leave somewhere here. Large time frame, but I don't stay too long in the market. That's how great this strategy is. Then now, let me zoom in. You can see here, if I zoom in here, guys, you see that price has rejected this area here, 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4-hour time frame. When you think of the time frame, it gives you this extra joy. Like, just know that, okay, price actually spent hours inside this area struggling to break it. That's just to give you an idea, to tell you that what this area is powerful for holding price this long. This should be like, maybe, if I'm not mistaken, like 2 days or a day and a half right here, bro. It's long. You can see the moment price broke it impulsively, pulled back inside. Let's say you grab the sell at the midpoint. I should not even tell you that. Let's say you grab a sell inside this area. Sorry, a buy. Immediately this candle closes here, you can get out. You can close your positions, or you can still hold it up inside this fair value gap. There's a fair value gap here. You can aim for this fair value gap, or you can even aim for these highs up here if you have the balls to. I personally, I'll aim for this fair value gap. That's my favorite. I love aiming for fair value gaps. It's the best way for me. I like to aim fair value gaps. If I enter here, I look, and this is how this zone here came about. I stretched it out. Then this is what happened. Price broke below it, entered it, then started rejecting. Then I took my trade here. So I'm in a sell trade here. I'm looking to close this position once it reaches these lows here. So you can see how little my position size is. You can see how little my target is. This is just it. I'm in around somewhere up here. So this is literally, nope, just this low. That's it. That's it. So the other position closed in profit, and this one is still running. It's been ranging here for almost half, like, I don't know, like 12 hours. It's been there for a very, very long time. So let me go to the next screen and show you guys exactly what I'm looking out for. So let me clear this shit out. Okay. So first of all, guys, you know exactly how things go here. All right. You look for areas in price that price has rejected twice. Once you see these areas, you draw them. So now I'll first of all refresh my screen. Then I'll zoom out 1, 2, 3. I'll zoom out 3 times. Then I'll look for good places, good area. It's too far from price. So I'll maybe look to trade here when the price drops all the way down. But for now, I see this area here of support. I don't know if you saw that too, but somehow come back, push third time. If we took this one, but we did not take this one. So I missed this trade also. So this push got up the way there. That is it. The third touch. The third touch is the most important. It is the highest probability trade. The fourth touch is luck, kind of, but the third touch, guys, is the most high probability trade. Okay. Yes. That's it. So I see this area here. When I look keenly, they don't kind of match up. They don't kind of, they don't really match up. Ouch. Then I have this area here. I see this area in price. I can draw this out. Why did I draw this out? We have a tap here. We have a tiny push, broke, retested, came back, retested, then finally broke. So the price enters here. I'm definitely safe. Okay. So we have a key level above price. We have a key level below price. And I'm looking to sell this market if it enters here. And I'm looking to buy this market. Aim for a very small push when it enters here. Okay. But if it breaks and retests, then I'm aiming for a larger push. All right. You get why? So now this should be the last one. I don't want to make this video too long. I know you're enjoying it, obviously. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let me clear this out before you have an idea of everything before we even start. Nice. So first of all, I refresh my chart. Boom. This is how the chart comes, like that. I zoom out 1, 2, and 3. 3 good times. And I push it. Yeah, I don't care about that. What's happening now in 2023? What are we seeing? What is price doing? What is market doing? Now, I can see a huge dump and a huge rally to the upside. What can we do with this? We don't care what pushed this price up. We just care where is the price going. We need this money to pay our bills, bro. So I see first touch, I see second touch here. I highlight this too. I link them up. Boom. Then I start drawing a plan. This is not planning. You understand? You're just creating an idea. Once you have this idea, then you capitalize on it. You plan. And planning is, if this happens, I do this. If this happens, I do this. All the outcomes, you have to make them favorable to you. You have to understand that if you fail this trade, then you should be looking to make money in the other direction. If this market fails to buy, then it should sell. Okay? Now we have a high. We have another touch here. Obviously, you see them aligned perfectly. So I draw them out. And this is how I came up. And this is how we obviously missed this particular trade. So I took 2 trades today on Euro NZD and AUD card. Yeah. Those are the 2 trades there in my Telegram channel. I also posted this one on my IG and also in my Telegram channel with a crying emoji that I missed my setup. And this was the best possible setup that I could ask for this week. I saw this setup. It was Monday. Today's Tuesday. I'm doing this video Tuesday morning. So this is it, guys. I'm still crying. I'm still mourning, but it's okay. All right, it's okay, guys. I know you can also see this tiny level here, but I don't want to, really trade from there. It's not strong enough. Okay, so that is what I saw below and above price. My key levels. You can also see that there's a key level here. All of this going on here, but price is far away from it. As a professional, like I told you, as a professional, always keep your charts clean. So if price maybe breaks this level, then look for the next key level and put it out. Let your charts stay neat. Okay. We're going to stop this video here for today. This is probably one of the best videos that I have made this, month. I like it. It's, I actually feel like I'm going to enjoy watching this video later by myself because nobody really watches these videos. Nobody subscribes and nobody cares. So, well, it is what it is. We keep pushing and I'll keep trying to reach out to people that are in need of this stuff because it's doing me some good. All right. Thank you for watching. Links are down below. Check it out. If you want to join my free Telegram, the link is down. I have a paid mentorship. It's not like a mentorship, a signal group, really. You subscribe, I send you signals and I answer to your questions and we do Zoom meetings once a week. So you can check it out. It's $50 a month. Thanks for watching.